Are you struggling to manage your blood sugar levels? Well, we've got some valuable insights for you. Today we're going to share the top 5 foods that our most successful clients have eliminated or greatly reduced in order to achieve better blood sugar values. So let's dive right in. Number 1 on our list is red meat and processed meats. These foods are high in saturated fat content, which can negatively impact your blood sugar levels. By reducing or eliminating them from your diet, you can take a significant step towards better health. Moving on to number 2. Oils and fried food. These items have a high calorie density, which means they can quickly raise your blood sugar levels. By cutting back on oils and fried food, you'll be making a positive change towards managing your blood sugar effectively. Number 3 on our list is refined carbohydrates. These foods lack fiber, which is essential for maintaining stable blood sugar levels. By reducing your intake of refined carbohydrates, you'll be making a smart choice for your overall health. Now, number 4 is not a specific food, but rather a category: fast food. Fast food often contains all the elements we've mentioned before: oils, saturated fat, refined carbohydrates, high calorie density, and low nutrient density. By avoiding fast food, you'll be avoiding a major source of unhealthy ingredients. Finally, number 5 on our list is sugary drinks. Soda, sweet tea, and fruit juices are loaded with sugar, which can cause a rapid spike in your blood sugar levels. By cutting back on these sugary drinks, you'll be taking a significant step towards better blood sugar control. Now you might be wondering, what can I eat? Don't worry, we've got you covered. We have a complete 7-day diabetic meal plan book, available for free download on our official website. This book will provide you with delicious and nutritious meal options that will help you maintain stable blood sugar.